Hi, my name's Jessica, and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. This next video in our video series to create custom labels is all about using window cling to create labels. Yes, I am going to show you how using the Silhouette Cameo 4. Start by going into Silhouette Studio and opening up a new page. Make sure that the paper that you have on your screen is the same size as the window cling paper. It is 8.5 by 11 for this type of window cling that I'm using. Once you do that, click the text button on the left-hand side, it's like the letter A, and then you're going to type in your words. Go up to the font and play around with all sorts of fun different fonts. I told you I love the P fonts, and you can download those directly to your computer. Once you select the font that you want, you can adjust the size and the color. Play around with what and how you want that to look, using the color palette on the right-hand side, and the font size is up at the top. Once you're happy with the way that the text looks and the size, then you're going to go and hit the printer button up at the top. You're going to turn it into a PDF, and then you're going to print directly onto the window cling paper. Then you're going to print off directly onto the window cling paper in your printer. Then you're going to use your cut mat and send it through the Silhouette to cut out like a square or rectangle around the text. Once it's all done cutting, you're going to peel off the window cling and stick it onto whatever smooth surface that you are using. For us, I wanted to make sure that we had our beads labeled and super colorful because that's what they see. Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.